有一晚，小明的女朋友跟小明说：“宝贝，你想喝西瓜汁吗？”小明：“这么晚了，你从哪里找来西瓜汁？”女朋友说：“我今天大姨妈来了。”小明：“你很恶心啊，说这些东西。”女朋友说：“她从乡下带了几个西瓜给我。”有一点无语，这个你找的这些冷笑话让我有点不太想读啊。
As a slang, we call the ladies' menstrual period 大姨妈. Okay, let's take a look at a few words. Here, 宝, that just means my precious. And it's also in Miss Apple's name because I am my parents' precious. Let's look at the lower parts. This is a character of jade, the precious green stone. And because it's so precious, you gotta find something to cover it up before someone finds it. Now let's take a look at this character. 恶心 together means very sick, ill. Ugh. But alone, it means evil, foul, because it's about your heart. And it also shows you the evil face. Look at the evil eyebrow, evil nose, the evil eyes, and then the evil mouth. That's evil. Last one, let's look at 从. If you put it with a place together, it just means from. But 从 alone, it actually means follow. Why? Because there are two legs, one person. And when we have two person, we have a follow. Yeah? Someone has to follow the other. And what happens if we have three person together? This word means public, the crowd. These two words together, 从众. 从众 means follow the majority, come from conformity. Thank you.